Everyone, welcome to today's edition of the Indian Express Explained Page Analysis. Myself Nitin Kebiju, I'll be appearing for the Civil Services interview this year. In today's video, we'll be discussing how oil price crash impacts sugar and what it means for India. This topic comes under GS3 of the UPSC main syllabus under Marketing of Agricultural Produce and Issues and Related Constraints. Coming to the topic, on April 20th, we have seen that the WTI grade crude oil, that is the West Texas Intermediate grade crude oil, which is the American standard of crude oil, it has crashed at a minus $37.6 per barrel on April 20th, right? On the next day itself, the prices of the sugar at New York crashed. Also, the prices of commodities such as corn and palm oil have seen price declines following the slide in crude oil. So what is this connection? Why did the prices of these agricultural commodities crash as soon as the oil prices got crashed in US? So let us see this connection. We all know about oil, but why have the global sugar prices collapsed? One reason for this collapse is the closure of restaurants, weddings, and other social functions not taking place, and people avoiding ice creams and sweet and cold beverages that might cause throat infections. So here, this is due to the COVID crisis. This is not related to crude oil, but is that the only reason? No. Sinking crude oil appears to be having a bigger factor, a bigger impact on the reduction of the sugar prices and the prices of other agricultural commodities. So here in this graph, you can see the reduction in the crude oil prices which went to minus negative prices, right? Now, coming to the basics, the sugarcane juice, that is the juice from the crushing sugarcane, it can be used for two purposes. One is to crystallize into sugar as we see in the left side of the left side diagram, as well as the same juice can be fermented into alcohol, more specifically ethanol. So this is an important concept. The two uses of sugarcane juice. Okay, so when the oil prices are high, what happens? The mills tend to divert the cane for making more ethanol that is used for blending with petrol. We all might have heard about ethanol blended petrol. So when the oil prices are high, farmers will produce ethanol more. That is the equation which is in here. This is the equation of ethanol. When the oil prices are high, farmers will produce this ethanol. But with oil prices crashing, mills will not find it attractive to divert cane production for ethanol. Therefore, what they will produce more? They will produce sugar more, right? Now, so thus the sugar production gets increased. So according to the basics of economic concept of demand and supply, when the supply increases, what happens? The price will crash, which is happening in the case of sugar. The supply increased because people are not, the producers are not producing ethanol now. So all the sugarcane juice is diverted to produce sugar. Thus the supply increased and the price is reduced. Now, how will this affect India? The dip in sugar consumption together with higher output, India already has higher output in sugar produce, and coming and this global output, the increased global output, especially from countries like Brazil and all, it is a bad news for both Indian sugar mills and cane farmers. Also, the lockdown has reduced offtake of alcohol, be it liquor or ethanol, which is used for blending with petrol. Also, with cars and two-wheelers not running, the oil market companies aren't very much interested to procure ethanol from farmers. So all these issues have resulted in the reduced demand of ethanol, which increase the supply of sugar, thereby reducing the price of sugar. What about the other agricultural commodities? How are they impacted? The price of corn also fell. Why? Because it is also used for making ethanol. Likewise, palm oil, again a feedstock for biodiesel, it also ended 7.5% lower at the futures exchange. So every agricultural produce which is related to making of ethanol, its price have reduced. Also, if the corn prices reduce, it can result in the reduction of price of other cereals also. For example, when the corn prices are reducing, the consumers will prefer buying corn prices because its price is less. So what will happen? The demand of other agricultural cereals will reduce, which will result into the price drop of those cereals also. And similarly, When palm oil prices reduce, the consumers will go for buying palm oil, thereby reducing the demand of other oils like sugar, like soybean oil. So the demand of soybean oil will also reduce. So we can see that overall there will be a reduction of the price of all the agricultural outputs, right? So this is a bad news for the agriculture, for the farmers. So we can see that they are all ultimately linked to oil, whose prices matter as much to petroleum companies as to farmers. So this is the connection between the crash in the prices of oil and to the crash in the prices of agricultural produce. I hope you understood the concept. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for instant updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.